Hello. Today I'm going to be presenting research by me, Joshua Ravishankar, and my advisors Malcolm Doring and Takayuki Kanda representing the Kyoto University HRI lab. Our topic is analyzing robot errors in social imitation learning. I want to first present the background and motivation behind the work, the results of the analysis itself, and finally, our future research direction. To start off, I'd like to briefly introduce what social imitation learning is. Social imitation learning is an approach to generating robot behaviors from human-human interaction data. Simply put, we have the robot mimic how a human would act in a particular scenario. The merits of this approach are that it requires minimal human intervention for tasks such as data labeling and annotation, and that it works quite well and generates robust robot behaviors. However, despite its success, interaction errors do still occur and can cause frustration and confusion in humans. Through our research, we hope to minimize such interaction errors and improve the overall quality of human-robot interactions. Now, I'd like to zoom into the particular scenario that we've been researching, where we have a one-on-one human-robot interaction within a camera shop, with a human customer and the robot taking the role of a shopkeeper. The video you're viewing now is an example of such an interaction from past work by Phoebe Liu and others who employed the data-driven social imitation learning approach I described earlier. We used this dataset as the basis of our analysis. We parsed through this dataset in order to discover the different types of interaction errors that can occur when employing the social imitation learning approach. We define an error as any behavior that would be deemed as inappropriate by a third-person observer given the interaction context. We were able to identify a variety of interaction errors that occur frequently, such as the robot failing to respond to a customer greeting or question, the robot suddenly moving to a new location, the robot preemptively saying goodbye to a customer, and so on. After finishing this process, we categorized the errors we found into 6 error types, with 3 being movement-based errors and the other 3 being speech-based errors. In our paper, we spend some space going into detail about the characteristics of the errors, as well as typical human reactions. Finally, I'd like to end off by talking about our future research direction. As you saw, there are several different errors that can occur when employing the social imitation learning approach. With this in mind, we are working towards an autonomous method that can detect these interaction errors, perform interaction recovery, and perform error correction to avoid mistakes in the future. Thank you for listening.